Hello everyone, it's Ryan here again, and in this PS4 video we're going to be doing a noise test for the PlayStation 4. Just see, kind of how the system operates and how loud that fan gets. Now before we get into the actual footage and the actual noise test, there's a couple things you gotta keep in mind. This was recorded with my camera's onboard microphone, so I'm not using any separate audio equipment. I'm just using my Canon EOS 60D's actual just microphone, which picks up a lot of white noise, picks up a lot of noise, and it's actually a really sensitive microphone, and it picks up pretty much anything in the room, so I stayed completely silent to kind of isolate and show you the PS4's fan noises and stuff like that. The camera is about a foot away from the PS4 when recording, and overall this isn't necessarily completely scientific. I mean, when you have your PS4, more than likely it's in your entertainment center, and you're obviously listening to the game's audio. So more than likely you're not going to hear any fan noises when you actually get the system. But I mean, just to kind of give you a little bit of perspective on what it sounds like here's the tests. And to really hear it best, you'll probably want to use headphones, because the PS4 is actually quite quiet under most circumstances, but definitely use headphones if you want to hear it really good. If you're just listening to it out loud, you might not, it might not come in as clearly. Enjoy. This next piece of footage is actually really cool, and it demonstrates the PS4's stepless speed fan. So what that is the PS4's fan will kind of fluctuate depending on what the system is doing. So for this footage example, and you can do this with your own PS4 to test it yourself and see, but I was playing a disc game, the fan was running, I quit out to the menu and started up Netflix, and within like under 10 seconds, the fan immediately started to slow down and go down to pretty much about nothing, because it's just running Netflix. Again, might want to use headphones for this. This one was really subtle, but you can probably tell the difference. Hope you enjoyed this noise test, and I'll see you guys in my other videos. Peace.